Hi everybody, welcome back. Hope everyone's having a great day. So today we're going to be doing a review video on Mommy's Bliss Baby Multivitamin and Iron. Please be sure to check the video description for some more information. So this is a multivitamin plus iron, so definitely important. Well, the doctors say it's always important for babies to take these, but especially if they're being breastfed, just to make sure they're getting all their vitamins and stuff like that. So I did breastfeed like the first couple months of having my son. I had a little bit of a tough time with it, so I had to supplement a bit, but this is good for 2 months and up. If you go to the doctor's office, they don't normally prescribe a multivitamin until they're about 6 months old. So you have that gap from 2 months to 6 months where they're not getting their vitamins. So I wanted to make sure I was giving my baby a little extra. I also really love Mommy's Bliss. I just want to say I've bought several different products for them, and I'm really happy with them. It's like a mom-owned company, so they will understand what it's like being a mom, and I just feel like they try to keep the ingredients as natural as possible. So I really am happy with them, and I would just continue buying their products and trying different things that they put out. So this has essential vitamins and immune support for healthy development. It has 100% daily value of vitamins C, D3, E, B1, B2, and B6, 70% organic ingredients, and it's made with organic agave. So I know a lot of people, especially myself, I try to get things with natural products for my babies. That's definitely something that's important to me. And then it comes with the syringe adapter. I think I was I was able to easily give it to my son. Like he opened his mouth for it and took it. And this is 1 ounce. And then it kind of tells you on the side, like, for moms by moms, a family-run company, was founded by my mom, who raised 3 children while working as a nurse and a certified midwife. Mommy's Bliss brings families back to wellness. It's important to choose products that you trust to work effectively and safely and make little ones happy. That's 100% the truth. So it's a woman-owned and led company, which is cool. And then the supplement facts are on the back, tells you what the serving size is, which is 1 milliliter daily. There are 30 servings per container, so it lasts you for about a month. Has all the vitamins listed here, which is awesome. I like that it has the D3, because they say, especially if the baby is breastfed, they say to make sure you're giving the baby vitamin D as well. And then it has the other ingredients listed here. It's like, I like seeing the organic stuff. So organic glycerin, organic agave syrup, purified water, organic monk fruit extract, organic natural flavors, citric acid, organic quilla extract, and store in a cool, dry place, of course. Open this box for you and pull it out so you could see. So this is my new one. I'm having a little one coming soon, so I just wanted to make sure I am stocked up on everything. So this is the bottle. Comes nice and sealed up here, and then the syringe is very easy. So this syringe, you stick in and you pull until you get to 1 milliliter, so up to here. And then very easily you just put it in the dropper in baby's mouth, the syringe in baby's mouth, and drop it in there. And it has a little bit of a sweet flavor, and I think that's why my son really didn't complain when I gave it to him. He just took it. So it was very easy to give him, easy to give the babies. And then afterwards, I would just make sure I wash this very thoroughly in very hot water. Can't put it in the dishwasher or anything like that, but I do reuse this syringe for this product, and after the month, I throw it away, buy a new one, and it comes with another syringe. But just make sure you're washing it with hot water and drying it thoroughly in between before putting it back in the box. And so it tells you the directions. Shake well, remove cap and the seal, insert the adapter plug smooth side up by pushing downward and twisting until a light seal is made. Top of plug should be flush with neck and not removable. Fully depressed syringe plunger and insert into adapter. So it's pretty self-explanatory for the most part. Invert bottle and pull syringe to correct volume. For infants, slowly dispense liquid towards side of mouth, inner cheek, because you want to make sure they're getting it. Using the provided syringe, rinse syringe after use, maybe mix with favorite drink or food. See, I didn't really have to do that because my son took it pretty easily, but you could certainly mix it with like oatmeal. But at 2 months old, they're not going to be really eating yet. They don't really have oatmeal till about 4 months, 3 months, 4 months. So in this case, you know, my son was 2 months when I started giving it to him, so I gave it to him in the syringe, but I'm sure you can mix it in the bottle as well. And then it tells you everything it's made with here: blend of B vitamins, 10 milligrams of iron, made with organic agave, vitamin D for bone development. See, that was that important thing I was telling you about. If your child is breastfed, you want to make sure they're getting that vitamin D. It's a yummy grape flavor, a little sweet, so I think the little ones will like that. And 1 milliliter is easy enough to get in there. So I thank you guys so much for taking the time to watch my video. I hope you found it useful. If you did, please feel free to leave a comment and let me know. Thanks for watching.